Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 18th of Science of class 7th, that is waste water story. Students, all of us use water in our homes and make it dirty. Dirty? Are you surprised? Rich in leather, mixed with oil, black brown water that goes down the drains from sinks, showers, toilet, laundries is dirty. It is called waste water. This used water should not be wasted. We must clean it up by removing pollutants. Have you ever thought where the waste water goes and what happens to it? In this chapter, we will study about where the waste water goes and what happens to it. Students, as you know that clean, pure water is the basic need of human beings. Water is considered pure and clean if it is colorless and odorless. Water should not contain any suspended impurities, any harmful germs, a large quantity of salts, any harmful salts such as nitrates, urea, etc. Clean water that is fit for use is unfortunately not available to all. It has been reported that more than 1 billion of people have no access to safe drinking water. This accounts for a large number of water related diseases and even deaths. People, even children, walk for several kilometers to collect clean water, as you read in chapter 16. Students, you have studied in chapter 16 about the increasing scarcity of fresh water due to population growth, pollution, industrial development, mismanagement, and other factors. Realizing the urgency of the situation on the World Water Day on 22 March 2005, the General Assembly of the United Nations proclaimed the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. All efforts made during this decade aim to reduce by half the number of people who do not have access to safe drinking water. Students, as you know that water is essential for life to exist on the earth. During its use in all domestic, industrial and agricultural activities, water gets contaminated with many harmful substances and germs, etc. Contamination of water by harmful substances and germs, etc. is called water pollution. A substance which causes pollution is called a pollutant. Sewage, garbage, animal dung, pesticide, toxic chemicals are the pollutants which cause water pollution. The black, brown, oily and lathering water that goes down the drains from wash basin, showers, toilet, laundries, washing machines is called wastewater. The wastewater cannot be used for drinking, cooking, bathing, etc., but should not be wasted. It can be cleaned and made usable. The process of removing pollutants from the wastewater before it is discharged in a pond, river, or lake or reused is called cleaning of water or purification of water. This process of cleaning wastewater is commonly called as sewage treatment. Now, what is sewage? Sewage is waste water released by homes, industries, hospitals, office and other users. It also includes rainwater that has run down the street during a storm or heavy rain. The water that washes off roads and rooftops carries harmful substances with it. Sewage is a liquid waste. Most of it is water which has dissolved and suspended impurities. Now I will explain you activity 18.2. Students, locate an open drain near your home, school or on the roadside and inspect water flowing through it. Record color, odor and any other observation. Discuss with your friends and fill up the following table. Students, the table is given in your textbook on page number 221. You have to complete this table. As we know that sewage is a complex mixture containing suspended solids, organic and inorganic impurities, nutrients, saprophytes and disease-causing bacteria and other microbes. These include the following: organic impurities, human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste, etc. Inorganic impurities as nitrate, phosphates, metals. Next, nutrients as phosphorus and nitrogen. Bacteria such as Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera, and Salmonella paratyphi, which cause typhoid. Other microbes such as protozoans, which cause dysentery. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Up till then, thank you.